AGHAMAZING, my dear students! Welcome back to our science video lesson. I am your science teacher, Teacher Larry, and welcome to AGHAMAZING way of learning science. In our last video, we learned the different parts of a cell and their corresponding functions. If you haven't still watched our video about the parts of a cell and their functions, you may pause this video to watch it. The link is on the description box below. In this video lesson, we are going to find out the similarities and differences between plant cell and animal cell in terms of their shape, size, and the absence and presence of organelles. At the end of this video, you will be able to organize their similarities and differences using a Venn diagram. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin! Most cells have everything they need to carry out the basic life functions. Although all living things are made up of cells, all cells are not the same. Cells with different shape and sizes have different roles. Shapes and sizes are related to the functions of the cell. The basic differences between most plant and animal cells are their shape, size, and the absence and presence of an organelles. But before we discuss their differences, let us talk about their similarities. Both plants and animal cells are eukaryotic. This means that plants and animals are multicellular and they possess a true nucleus, a membrane-bound nucleus. The basic structure of eukaryotic cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Both plant and animal cell contains the following organelles: mitochondrion, ribosomes, Golgi bodies, nucleolus, vacuole, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. Let us now talk about their differences, starting with their shapes. Observe the picture of an animal cell and plant cell. What have you observed? Animal cells come in various shapes and tend to have a round or irregular shape. On the other hand, plant cells are more similar in size and are typically rectangular or tube-shaped. When it comes to size, animal cells are generally smaller than the plant cell. Plant cells range from 10 to 100 micrometers in length, while animal cells range from 10 to 30 micrometers in length. Take note the size of plant cell and animal cell shown in the picture is just for representation. They are not their actual sizes. Let us now compare and contrast the plant cell and animal cell in terms of their organelles. Observe the picture of animal cell and plant cell. What do you think is the difference between them? Let's start with vacuole. Both plant and animal cell have vacuole. However, animal cells have many small vacuole and they are called vesicle. Meanwhile, plant cells have a large central vacuole. Next is the lysosomes. Animal cells possess lysosome, which contain enzymes that digest cellular macromolecules. On the other hand, plant cells rarely contain lysosome as the plant vacuole handle molecule degradation or the breaking down of molecules. Next organelle is the cell wall. Only the plant cell have a cell wall composed of a cellulose. A cell wall gives the plant cell shape, support, and protection. Furthermore, this gives the plant cell its box-like shape. This also allows the plant to remain strong and stand upright even if it grows to great heights. Animal cells do not have a cell wall, but both animal cell and plant cell have cell membrane. Next, we have the chloroplast. Only the plant cell contains chloroplast, which are needed for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process wherein plants make their own food. This is the reason why animals depend on other organisms to eat as food, to obtain energy, because animals cannot make their own food. Next is centrioles. Animal cells have centrioles, while plant cells do not. Centrioles plays an important role in a cell division. Cell division is important in animal cell because it enables the organism to produce new cells needed for the production of new organism, growth, and maintenance. And that is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. In summary, plant cell and animal cell are both eukaryotes. This means that they have a true nucleus. They are different in some aspect because they perform different functions. Let us organize the similarities and differences of animal cell and plant cell using a Venn diagram. Try to do a Venn diagram of animal cell and plant cell. You can compare your answer at the end of this video. See you on our next AGHAMAZING video lesson.